Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Punchy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet decrease. So to start, we're going to yarn over and then insert our hook into the stitch. Yarn over again and pull through to bring up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. I'm going to yarn over again and insert my hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 5 loops on my hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to yarn over one more time and pull through all 5 loops. And that's how you do a half double crochet decrease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials.